Hi there, it's Hillary and welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today I have some Happy Mail unboxing. So my Creative Faith Connect team, we decided it'd be fun to do a Christmas swap. And so I drew names and people didn't know who they were sending, or the person receiving didn't know who was getting who drew their name, and so my Happy Mail landed on my doorstep, and it's from Jumalis from His Word in Me. I'll link her Instagram in the description box below, as well as a blog post where I share all of my team members. They are a phenomenal team. They have YouTube channels and share actively on Instagram. I pulled up her Instagram to show you guys. She has really awesome traveler's notebook setups and Bible pages, and just does a really great job sharing Creative Faith products and printables, and is just an amazing woman of the Lord. Like all of my team members, I just feel so blessed. So here is her Happy Mail, and I thought I would open it with you guys. I personally love watching Happy Mail unboxings or haul videos, and I do have a YouTube video, or YouTube playlist, sorry, that is called Happy Mail Ideas, and I have unboxed other Happy Mail I've got before too, so I will link that playlist in the description box below if you want to check it out. Alright, let's see what she sent. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to stop the video because I want to take a picture of how cute it is. Okay, and then I'll be back to unwrap it. Alright, I definitely had a little photo shoot. It also jingles, which is kind of fun. Alright, oh, I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, this is just so cute. It's too pretty to unwrap. I love the little doily. Happy Christmas. Definitely want to save that sticker. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, let me put the tissue aside. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, a metallic marker. Oh, that is really pretty. I am excited to try that. I love gold, as you can tell from my wedding ring and my shiny gold fingers. So that's cute. And this is a card from her that I will read later. Oh, this is cute. So it's a little tag, and she's wrapped twine and like glitter ribbon and washi tape on. That is adorable. With some jingle bells. Oh, this is really cute. It's a little baby pen. That is fun. And a little notebook that I think she decorated. And it has lined paper inside. That will be really cute to use. I can use it for scripture writing or memory keeping. Could print off pictures from Christmas to use in there. And a little baby clothespin. Oh, these are fun. They are red stickers. So these will be great to use in my Christmas projects. Oh, these are really cute. They're glitter stickers. There's deer, snowflakes, and Christmas trees. And I love how she covered the top. Some more of these really pretty doilies. These will be fun to use in my Christmas prayer journal and my ABCs of Christmas. A few napkins. Christmas junk journal. Oh, cute. Oh, she like prepped it and everything and decorated it. So she has all these little pockets and a really fun clip. I love that. So it has a little clip in it. Let me do a flip through of this. So it's like a Christmas junk journal kit. So she decorated the pages. has another cute pocket. This is great because it's like pre-set up for me, which will be fun to add little things to. Oh my goodness, I love the ballerina. Oh, I love this. Washi tape. These are cute little strips. Let it snow. Merry and bright. Mistletoe. 'Tis season. Peace on earth. Laugh. Wow. Little tip in. Oh, I love this page. I think this is my favorite one. Oh, wow. That is so cool that she made this. Wow. That is beautiful. And then some stickers. I love alphabet stickers. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so fun to use. I cannot wait to fill it up, and maybe I'll use it. I don't know what I'll use it for. Maybe memory keeping, maybe scripture writing. I also have been pondering maybe making a notebook and writing out lyrics to Christmas songs and Christmas carols. So this might be a really cool place to do that, actually. So stay tuned for more, but what a fun bunch of Happy Mail. Thank you so much, Jumaliz, for this amazing gift. I am so blessed by your friendship, and I cannot wait to use this to document this Christmas. So if you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos. Be sure to comment below, what do you think of this Happy Mail? And have you ever done a Christmas Happy Mail swap before? I'd love to hear. And again, be sure to check out all of the members of the Creative Faith Connect team. They are such amazing women of the Lord, and so be sure you're following them on Instagram and YouTube. And I will see you guys next time. Have a Merry Creative Faith Christmas.